In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find extensions in Brave browser. Let's get started. First, you need to launch the Brave browser on your device. This step is straightforward. Simply find the Brave browser icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and click on it. If you haven't used Brave before, it might look similar to other browsers like Chrome or Firefox. But don't worry, it's designed to be user-friendly and secure. Once the browser is open, look at the top right corner of your Brave window. This is right next to the address bar, where you type in web addresses like gmail.com or youtube.com. The top right corner is an important area because it houses several tools and settings you'll frequently use. Next up, you should see the extensions icon. It looks like a gray puzzle piece. This icon is your gateway to managing the extensions in your browser. Extensions are small software programs that can modify and enhance your browsing experience. Clicking this icon will open up more options for you. After you click the extensions icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu will show you all your active extensions. It's a quick way to see which extensions are currently enabled and running in your browser. This is important because keeping track of active extensions helps ensure your browser is running efficiently and securely. Now, at the bottom of this drop-down menu, you will see an option called Manage Extensions. Click on this option to open the full dashboard. This dashboard is where you can view detailed information about each extension. You can enable or disable extensions and even remove them if needed. It's like the control panel for your browser's add-ons. At this point, you might wonder why managing extensions is crucial. Well, extensions can significantly enhance your browsing experience by adding functionalities like ad blocking, password management, or productivity tools. However, too many extensions can slow down your browser or even pose security risks. Therefore, knowing how to access and manage them is essential for maintaining a smooth and secure browsing environment. With that ready, you are now on the extensions dashboard. Here you can explore each extension's details. You can see its version, permissions, and other specific settings. This information is helpful to understand what each extension does and how it interacts with your browser. If you ever need to disable an extension, simply toggle off the switch next to it. This doesn't remove the extension but stops it from running. It's a handy way to test whether an extension is causing issues without fully uninstalling it. Remember, if you want to permanently remove an extension, you can click on the Remove button. This will delete the extension from your browser. Finally, keep in mind that regularly reviewing your extensions is a good practice. This ensures that only useful and secure extensions remain active. It helps keep your browser performing at its best and guards your data privacy. Thank you for following along. By now, you should feel comfortable finding and managing extensions in Brave browser. With regular maintenance, you can enjoy a smoother and more secure browsing experience. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out or look for more detailed guides online. Happy browsing!